On this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat camera full screen. First thing guys, open the settings, go to the apps, go to Snapchat, and now all what you have to do here is go to the notifications management like this. Now disable all the notifications and enable them back, and make sure that all these options are enabled. Go back, click on the permissions, make sure to enable every single permission. Go back, click on data usage, make sure that all those network access options are enabled. Go back, click on the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and now click on this open by default option. Click on open supported links in this app. Click on open supported links in this app and click on don't allow. That's it guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe.